Hey Griddle Nation, it's Blackstone Betty. If you did not already know, Blackstone is the official griddle of the PGA Tour, and what an honor that is. I am here at the Truist Championship at the Philadelphia Cricket Club with Chef Matt Copias from Proof of the Pudding. He's cooking up some Blackstone Backyard Bites for the tour, for the championship. I cannot wait to eat everything, and I cannot wait to show you guys what he's cooking. Are you ready, Matt?
Yeah, absolutely.
Let's show Griddle Nation pork roll or Taylor ham. It's gonna be fun. Okay, Matt, I'm so excited for you to cook. I can't wait for everyone to taste all your food. What are you cooking this week at the Truist Championship for everyone?
Well, we're going to be doing a pork roll, egg and cheese.
Is it pork roll or is it Taylor ham?
It's a big debate.
It is.
No one can ever decide to make a decision on it, and everybody argues about it. But I've known it as the pork roll. But you do use Taylor ham for it, so there's always a debate.
I think this one is going to do really good here. What goes into making this?
So you got to get the griddle nice and hot, and those Blackstones get a great crust on the pork roll when you sear it. And then we get the nice fried egg over there. Toast the bread really good with some butter, and then we build it, melt some American cheese on it, and the guests get to enjoy it.
This is like a classic breakfast that I love having at home off the Blackstone. It's so fun. What do we have next?
We have the Blackstone smashburger.
Ooh.
Which that is a double patty that we smash and sear with onions on it. And then it gets American cheese melted, and we finish it with our smash sauce, and it goes on a nice Martin's potato bun.
Oh God, that sounds so good. And what are you making for us next?
Then we have our Italian sausage and peppers on a hoagie.
One of my favorites.
Yeah, it's a Philly staple for sure. And that, we'll do the nice seasoning on it, get the peppers and onions.
We're using that Blackstone Tuscan herb, which is so good.
It is my first time trying it, and I absolutely love it.
Oh, good.
It's great for the peppers and onions, and it gives such good complement to the sausage when you got it on a nice toasted hoagie bun.
And lastly, what else are you making for us?
We are doing a Taylor ham and egg grilled cheese.
Oh, I love that.
On Texas toast. So that, we'll get some butter on the griddle. Toast up the bread real good, fry the egg next to it, and grill the ham so it gets that nice crust just like the pork roll. And then we'll build that with tons of cheese so it's nice and oozing out of there, and the guests get to love that.
All of these recipes are honestly some of my family favorites, so this was so much fun. Thank you, Chef Matt, for everything that you're doing. If you guys find yourself at the PGA Tour, be sure to stop at the Blackstone Backyard Bites stand. If not, you guys are gonna have to take and make these at home because they're just so good.
Absolutely. You ready to take a bite?
I cannot wait.